Amit Singhal, founder CEO of Nexus Health Tech. It's a parent company of Matri. The company is based in Gurgaon. I think India as a country, I see a huge opportunity in terms of healthcare. Everything is evolving, everything is moving towards online, and why not healthcare? And a lot of these companies have come right from a Practo one to one MG and all, where the online consultancy will come in, with e-commerce platforms have come in. You're selling all these products with the medicines, everything is there today, and they're at the doorstep. So I think huge opportunity is there, and with the COVID, I think India is moving the right direction in terms of the online space, in terms of the healthcare for sure. The challenge which I see personally in the healthcare, there's a huge gap in terms of I think demand and supply. There is also a huge gap in terms of understanding our consumer. So I think a lot of us companies like us, a lot of the companies which are there prevalent in this country, have to move to understanding the consumer better, because it's not about the services at the end of the day, it's not about the products, but it's also understanding the consumer, that what is their real need at that point in time, and that's how you can service it better. And of course, pricing or the costing is really the bar, because we have seen a lot of these households getting impacted. So we have to understand as entrepreneurs that how can we make these services better at the doorstep, how can we leverage that power of the data in terms of the AI, in terms of Data Security Act, in terms of whatever we want to do, and make it at the end of the day a very happy consumer. So we started Matri in August 2019. I think the one is the basic things why I wanted to build a company was around the empathy, because I really felt that in the health ecosystem or the health space, the empathy factor is completely missing out there. And the market which we chose, or the gap which we identified, is the mother and child, because I think the way we believe as a company, the founders of the company, is that the mother is the power center of the family. If she's okay, everything is fine, whether it's her children, whether it's her parents or grandparents and all. So we wanted, we already say that she's already empowered. We wanted to empower in terms of the technology, give her every information at her hands. So what we've done is, on the pediatric journey, I mean, the mother can manage the vaccinations, she can manage the growth aspects of the kid. She can also be a child psychologist in terms of getting the report of a development pattern. You can take a simple test and get a psychologist report that the kid is not getting affected with autism and all. She can manage her pregnancy journey very beautifully. We've done it, I would say that there's a beautiful functionality where I can also tap and get the heartbeat of my kid. And she can also manage all her trimesters, she can manage the vaccinations, she can manage, we can manage the vitals of our parents as well. Because what I saw personally is that we wanted to kill the geographic distances between the families, that I'm here, my father is in Bangalore. And also another thing which we felt in health is missing is the right content being approached and given to the people. There's so much content which is available on the social media, but people are really not looking for that. People are looking for the right information. So we got India's some of the leading expert doctors there, and we were very categorical in the fact that we'll get the doctors who have done 10 plus years of experience, because that's what we call experts. Somebody who's done thousands of vaccinations, somebody who's done a lot of gynec surgeries and all. And we have been successful in doing that. So I think for us, she is the power center. It's a B2C beautiful story we're building up with 50,000 registrations already there. People are understanding what we are trying to tell them. And I think all our endeavor going forward also will be to empower her at all levels. And as a company, what I was discussing with a lot of these people, that health is a very serious topic. So we want to have a happiness quotient around that. We're building these beautiful engagement programs of drawing, marathons, taking people out of their homes and giving them that freedom, that faith that with us you're in safe hands, the information which we are providing to you is good, and then take it out there. So not building an e-commerce platform, I think for us the right key is the right content, giving that to the consumer and then take it back in terms of their faith, so that Matri becomes one of the most trusted brands in this country. That's our vision, I think, which we're moving forward to. And with as I see it, with the FY 22-23, we should be crossing 1 million consumers in terms of registrations there. And what I believe is that we do not believe in having these brand ambassadors being there. We believe that if we have happy customer out there, they are themselves their brand ambassador. So we are also launching, as I said, we're coming up with ramp shows for pregnant women, for baby showers. We want to honor that lady who brings that beautiful child in this country, in this world. We want to do that, and that's what I said, that we're coming out with this beautiful taglines of Pari Hu Main. Why not? If we can work with them at that ground level, take care of their digital aspects, take care of their health, get them the best doctors, get them the right information at the right point in time. We see this story growing to a much larger and a bigger story. That's what our vision is for the next few financial years for sure. So we got funding around 300K in September, October last year. And so what we have done or we want to do for the next financial year is that we want to be dividend paying company. We don't want to be somebody who's surviving. So there's a very slight demarcation between a startup and a company. So we want to move to that level of being a company. And I'm a very strong believer that we have to be a dividend paying company. And we will be in the next financial year for sure. And future plans for us is that we want to cross a 1 million mark in terms of the consumer base. We want to have a hefty, good revenue base from all the fronts there and deliver on all our promises to our investors, current investors. So we, at this point in time, we're also in talks with the pre-series A round. So I think we should be able to close that in a month's time. And the story for us looks great in terms of also building from B2C to B2B to a D2C story as well. So I think that's the power where we see that a lot of the consumer goods also we can deliver at their places, which they really need. It's not something which they don't need and we just want to do that. It's something they really need. We want to be that player in the market for sure.